Hello my dear students, welcome back in another video with your English teacher Shehnaz ma'am. Hoping all are safe and fine by God's grace. So without taking too much time, let's start another chapter of your English reader book, and the name of the chapter is Food Pyramid. So let us see what is given in this chapter, Food Pyramid. Do you know what is the meaning of food pyramid? Yes, maybe this term you have read in your science book in a chapter, or maybe you have read in your EVS book. So let us see what is a food pyramid. So a food pyramid is a representation of the optimal numbers of servings to be eaten each day from each of the basis food groups. The first pyramid was published in Sweden in 1974. The 1992 pyramid introduced by the United States. So this was the first time in 1974 when the first pyramid was published in Sweden, and the second one, the 1992 pyramid, introduced by the United States. Okay, so in this food pyramid there are five groups are given. So let us see here, one exercise is given here on the page number 42. As you can see here, that warm up exercise is given. So day has been given to you 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, and here a few columns are given: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast, we know that we are taking meal during the day morning time, so that is breakfast. Lunch we are taking during the noon, and dinner of course we are taking at night. So these are the meals given here, days are given here. You will write the names of the days and what would you like to take in your breakfast, in lunch and in dinner. And you also write here what is good or what is healthy and who are unhealthy for your health. So you will do this exercise in your page number 42 in your English reader book, that is the 5th chapter, Food Pyramid. So you have to complete this exercise your own. You will get enjoy or you will get a fun here what you are going to fill and what you are going to write here about healthy or unhealthy food. So let us see what is given here. Read this poem on the different food groups. Okay, so here before starting this again this poem, no, what do you mean by balanced diet? Already we have learnt in our previous classes in science book. So balanced diet is a key to stay healthy, isn't it? Or it is a right amount of food in each quantity. What will be the quantity? What will be the amount of food? That is the right amount of food that we eat every day. That is balanced diet. Okay, so we should have to follow the balanced diet every day. We should have to take the food which is highly rich in protein and vitamins and so on. And do you know that we are taking unhealthy and healthy food together? So do you know what are the unhealthy foods? Obviously we have read in our 4th chapter also about the unhealthy food. So what are the unhealthy food? Most of the students like to eat that unhealthy food which is not good for the health, like French fries, chocolates, ice creams, samosas, cutlets and other delicious. But all these are unhealthy food, isn't it? Even you are taking cold drinks, that is also not good for our health. That also comes under the category unhealthy food. And healthy food, what are the healthy foods? So healthy foods, as you can see, all are given here in the pyramid. So they all are healthy food. Okay, so if somebody is going to ask you what is the differentiate between the healthy or unhealthy food, so I hope you will answer them in the better way. Okay, so let us start here what actually is given in this poem. There are 5 food groups on the food pyramid that I should choose from each day: vegetables, grain, meat, dairy and fruit. So here it is said that 5 groups are given in the pyramid. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups are given here on the pyramid that I should choose from each day. So we should choose, we have to decide on which day you want to take this group, isn't it? So here Most of the time we are taking vegetables every day, we are having fruits every day, we are having cereals every day, like we are having milk every day, butter, ghee, isn't it? And here this second number group is given, no, that fish is there, then meat is there, then eggs are here. So maybe some of you are eating these second group, and maybe some of you are not taking, or some of you are taking. So here we have to decide what we are going to eat every day. यहाँ इस पिरामिड में आपको 5 फूड के ग्रुप्स दिए हैं, जिसमें आपको चूज़ करना है कि आप हर दिन क्या लेते हो. वेजिटेबल्स, ग्रेन, मीट, dairy and fruit. So dairy means what? Dairy means that is milk and milk products. So do you know what are the milk products? Yes, of course, maybe you know that. So milk products are that paneer, ghee, cheese, ghee, all, and butter also, they all are milk product which is made with the milk. Okay, now will help my body work and play. Each food group supplies needed nutrients to help my body to grow. So all these nutrients what we are taking from each group, so जितने भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं वो हमें क्या करते हैं, हमें एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, है ना. ये हमें हमारी बॉडी के ग्रोथ के लिए हेल्पफुल होते हैं, जिससे हम वर्क कर पाते हैं, हम खेल पाते हैं, और हमारी बॉडी जो है ग्रो करती है. सो आपने देखा है, आपने ऑब्ज़र्व भी किया है, जब आप अच्छे से खाना खाते हो, प्रॉपर टाइम पे मिल्क पीते हो, अपना बैलेंस डाइट फूड खाते हो, तो यू आर फीलिंग वेरी हेल्दी, आप हेल्दी होते हो. बट in case if you are not taking all such things on time and you are not eating balanced diet food, then what will happen? You will not feel energy, you will not feel energy, and you will not able to do the work on time or on the regular basis. So ये सारी चीज़ें जो है हमारे बॉडी के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं. The fats and oils use sparingly. So here sparingly means has in a small quantities. So you know that fats means what? Fats and oils means we know that tel. But what is the meaning of fats? So fats means this is called charbi, isn't it? So we are having fats in that fish, meat, or in eggs. So these are fat. In these food item fats are richly found. Fats are rich in these products, means these products means in fish, meat, or in eggs. So we should not take too much, we should have to take small quantities. That's something that I should know. So that's something that I should know means that we should know what is good for us. Okay, and how much food or how much food group you have to take. So it is balanced diet, we should have to take the food in the balance. So what will happen if you will eat a lot of food? क्या होगा जब आपने बहुत सारा खाना खा लिया है ना, बहुत सारा खाने के बाद आपने फिर जूस पी लिया, एंड उसके बाद भी आपने फ्रूट्स खा लिए, तो इससे क्या होगा, इससे आपकी तबीयत ख़राब हो सकती है. यू मे हैव स्टमक एक, आपको पेट दर्द हो सकता है. मे बी इट विल कॉज दैट वॉमिटिंग, आपको उल्टी भी हो सकती है ना. सो वी शुड ईट वॉट इज़ राइट फॉर अस. हमें उतना ही खाना चाहिए जितना कि हम डाइजेस्ट कर सकते हैं या हमें खाना चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ फूड पिरामिड. इन ईच ग्रुप्स फूड्स आर गिवन, है ना. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, फर्स्ट में मिल्क है, बटर है, चीज़ ऑल्सो एंड घी ऑल्सो, एंड सेकेंड दैट मीट, चिकन, एंड दिस eggs are here. Now in the third group you can see fruits are given. In the fourth groups you can see all vegetables are here, and in the fifth group you can see that cereals means this is wheat, rice, potato, even beans, cereals. Okay, and bread also it is given. So these are the food pyramid. Now let us see what is given on the next page. Vitamins and minerals are part of the plan that keeps me healthy and strong. I will choose each day to do all that I can to help my body grow real strong. So we need vitamin and minerals. So in our balanced diet, in our plan, in the part of the plan means when we are taking food, so vitamins and minerals should be there. Vitamins and minerals should be there in our food. That's keep me healthy and strong. So these things, that vitamins and minerals are keeping our body strong and healthy. So जो vitamins होते हैं और जो minerals होते हैं हमारी body को healthy और strong रखते हैं. इसलिए मैं चूज़ करूँगी या मैं चूज़ करूँगा कि मुझे क्या खाना है हर दिन. I can too help my body grow real strong. और मैं ये भी चूज़ कर सकती हूँ कि किस तरह से मुझे मेरी बॉडी को रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना है. लास्ट दिस स्टैंजा नाउ. कैलोरीज within my food becomes energy. Energy my body will need to help me think, work and exercise. Calories, जो कैलोरीज होती है ना, दिस इज़ द मेजरिंग यूनिट, यानी कि हम इससे फाइंड आउट करते हैं कि हमारे फूड में कितनी कैलोरी थी, है ना, कितनी कैलोरीज हमने यूज़ की हैं. सो हम उसका अपने खाने पे देखते हैं कि कितना हमने जो फूड खाया उसमें कितनी एनर्जी थी, कितनी कैलोरीज थी. सो नाउ कैलोरीज विद इन माई फूड बिकम्स एनर्जी. जो हमारे फूड में जो कैलोरीज है वो हमें क्या बनाती हैं, एनर्जी देती हैं. एनर्जी माई बॉडी विल नीड. तो हमें हमारी बॉडी के लिए एनर्जी चाहिए. You have observed when you are running, when you are jumping, when you are playing, so you are feeling really hungry. आप जब खेलते हो, कूदते हो, रनिंग करते हो तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आपको बहुत भूख लगती है. Why? Because your body needs energy. So ये एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलेगी आपको? इस एनर्जी आपको मिलेगी फूड से. सो टू हेल्प मी थिंक, वर्क एंड एक्सरसाइज. सो जो कैलोरीज आप यूज़ करते हो अपने खाने में, जो अपना बैलेंस डाइट फूड है आपका, वो आपको काम करने के लिए और एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए हेल्पफुल है. दे विल हेल्प मी टू सक्सीड. हेल्दी बॉडी बिल्डर्स विल चूज़ केयरफुली. ओके, अब ये क्या है, जब ये आप बैलेंस डाइट खाते हो, जब आप फूड पिरामिड से सभी फूड ग्रुप्स को यूज़ करते हो, खाते हो, तो आपको क्या होता है, आपको सक्सेस होता है, सक्सेस मिलती है. किस में सक्सेस मिलती है? टू बिल्ड योर बॉडी. आपको अपनी बॉडी बनाने के लिए सक्सेस मिलती है. ओके, सो जो बॉडी बिल्डर्स होते हैं, यू हैव ऑब्जर्व नो बॉडी बिल्डर्स लाइक रेसलर्स यू हैव सीन, दे आर डूइंग रेसलिंग. सो रेसलर्स जो होते हैं वो उनका जो डाइट होता है हमारी डाइट से बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. दे आर टेकिंग रियली हाईली रिच्ड विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स, फैट्स, ऑयल्स एवरी डे टू कीप देयर बॉडी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी. तो जो बॉडी बिल्डर्स होते हैं उन्हें बहुत अच्छे से मालूम है कि उनके लिए क्या ज़रूरी है और उन्हें क्या खाना चाहिए. अ हेल्दी बैलेंस ईच डे. इसलिए वह अपने खाने में हमेशा बैलेंस डाइट को प्रिफ़र करते हैं, यानी कि अपने बैलेंस डाइट को यूज़ करते हैं बॉडी हेल्दी बनाने के लिए. ईटिंग फूड्स फ्रॉम ईच कैटेगरी. तो वो क्या करते हैं, सभी कैटेगरी यानी कि सभी ग्रुप से वो रोज़ खाते हैं, सभी ग्रुप से वो रोज़ खाते हैं, लाइक मिल्क, बटर, मीट, एग्स, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स एंड सीरियल्स. okay, will help me live a healthy way. So because if we will choose the food from each group, then only we will live a healthy life. जब हम सभी ग्रुप से, जब ये सभी ग्रुप से हम खाना खाएंगे और हमारा जो फूड है वो बैलेंस डाइट वाला होगा, तो हम हमेशा अपने लाइफ में ग्रो करेंगे, हमें एनर्जी मिलेगी, हम अपना काम कर सकते हैं, है ना, और हमारी लाइफ कैसी होगी, एक हेल्दी लाइफ होगी. So this what we have learnt in this chapter about the food groups, that there are 5 food groups in a pyramid, in food pyramid, and we have to eat balanced diet food, isn't it? So follow the healthy eating food pyramid. We have to follow the good balanced diet food every day to keep our body healthy and strong. So students, I hope all of you must have learned something new from this video. So like the video and share the video with your friends also, so they will also take the help from this video and they will also learn. Have a good day.